Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to align garage door sensors properly. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this video tutorial. Now once again, I'm sorry for that really super long intro. Sometimes I gotta be a little bit ridiculous like that, but once again, just to clarify very simplistically and calmly this time, the topic of this video tutorial is how to align garage door sensors properly. This will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get into this. As you can see right here, this is one garage door sensor, and there are usually going to be two of them. Fun little fact, there's actually a spider, it looks like spinning a web right over here beside me. I just saw that, it looks like it's doing some sort of web spinning thing. Anyways, I'm gonna leave that spider alone, and I'll show you that there's also another garage door sensor over there, okay? So essentially, you wanna align those two. They need to be lined up properly in order to make the garage work. They're there for safety and for a variety of reasons, but they're really easy to align for the most part, okay? So essentially, I'm gonna move the camera to the side here to give you a better view of what's going on over here. Okay, so they're connected obviously to the main unit via a wire over here. You want that wire to be out of the way. You can see this is nice and clearly out of the way. And essentially, they're held on to the track system by this bolt over here. And there's a little thing over here that allows them to move basically further forward or back. So when you loosen this bolt over here, you can move the holder of the garage door sensor forward or back, okay? So you can loosen this up and you can move it forward or back until it's aligned properly. So that's one adjustment that you can make. The other adjustment is the angle of the garage door sensor, which as you can see right here, okay, this bolt over here, if I loosen it, okay, it adjusts the angle. As you can see right here, I'm adjusting the angle of the garage door sensor. When I move it out of position, that light, you can't see it, but that light is flashing because it's telling me that it's not aligned properly. I'll give you a better view. The light is flashing. It's not aligned, right? So what you want is you want it to be aligned properly. So line it up like that. When you get a solid light, I mean, most garage door sensors are going to give you that light right there, a solid light. You're going to tighten it up and it should be aligned. So there are essentially two movements that you can make, two adjustments that you can make. The first one is with regards to the depth of the garage door sensor, using that bolt over there, loosen it, adjust the depth, tighten it when you have it in place. And then also this bolt over here, or this wing nut, I should say, not bolt, but the wing nut allows you to adjust the angle of the garage door sensor. And on some garage doors, you know, they're not going to be bolted in place, so like you can move them up and down like that. On this one, it's bolted in place, so it's just in place. But some of them you can even go higher or lower. It all depends on your specific garage door. But most are going to be like this, most modern ones. And that's essentially it. That is how to align them. You want to make sure, like I said, that they're aligned properly. I always like to start with that one over there, which is like, I call that like, that's I start with the one that essentially doesn't flash. Like if I move this one over here, I'm going to move this sensor. You can see that this sensor has been moved and that light is flashing there, but that sensor is still a solid light. So I always like to start off with the solid light sensor and put that in a place where I know it's going to be good. And then I like to move on to this one because then this will tell me when it is aligned properly and lined up properly. I'm going to tighten it down. Let's get it in line again. I'm going to tighten it down like that. And like I said, if you put your hand in front of it, you know, obviously it's thinking that it's not making a connection, and then you move your hand and it makes the connection. So that's it. And sorry, my garage door opener light just went off. So the other one's probably going to go off momentarily too. So just a heads up. There goes the other one, but it's all good. I still have another light over here. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I got a regular like ceiling light. I'm going to upgrade the lighting. I need to get some more lighting in here anyways in the future. But yeah, that's besides the point. Thankfully, I didn't get any like earwigs or like we saw a spider, but I thought there was going to be a couple of big spiders or earwigs crawling around, you know, because it's quite dusty over here. But yeah, there's none, so we got pretty lucky. If you like this, you know, let's roll this out. I'm talking too much now. If you like this video instructional tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.